Hello and a warm welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel, and this is the art of loving food. Experiments are key to tasty cooking. Sometimes trying something new with a regular ingredient just makes it a star. Today, we're going to make veg cookie canapes, and what makes it a star is the use of the not so regular canapes but Unibic daily digestive cookies, which have 33% fibre of your daily requirement. This one comes with no added sugar, which means you can binge guilt-free. So shuru kare? 3 tablespoons of hung curd. So we've made the hung curd with Greek yogurt. Add in a bit of the lemon juice, a teaspoon, some mint, coriander, some powdered cumin, quarter teaspoon of amchur powder, some salt. Just mix it all in. So we take 4 of our Ajwain cookies. It's got Ajwain, so you know the taste is amazing. Just flatten it down. They look like little ladybugs. How cute is this? Little grass around it. It's like a little ladybug in the grass. Can't eat it. How cute are these? This is a perfect evening snack if you want to impress. You can make these veg cookie canapes in multiple variants with ingredients of your choice. It's a great starter for kitties and even children's parties. So don't forget to try these out, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Tab tak ke liye, swasth raho, mast raho.